Nowadays, everyone is saying that AI is in every tech giants company, whether it's Apple, Amazon, Google. Every industry which are in leading end is using their AI, their chats bot to communicate with the customer efficiently. Why are they using it? Because AI is far more efficient compared to any human being. As a CEO of any company, I want maximum output from the members of the team. When I use AI for the productivity or whether it's marketing, they simply get the best output in the limited amount of time, in affected amount of time. On the other hand, if I ask for the human to get me that job or the other job, they most of the time they give me excuse that they been doing some house chores, they been struggling in their work. That's how they can't be able to do their jobs.
But just tell me one thing, like AI can replace a certain task, but at the end of the day, you need judgment on that. You know that how, like, should we proceed ahead? Should we think again about this? So we always need judgment.
Yes.
For that, there should be a person who, with a creative mind, with the emotions, because sometimes AI is filled with so much data, which is, humans don't know how to use it data properly. It is good with the tell you some static facts about something, maybe easy your task for some time, but at the end you need judgment. It can't replace job, but easy your job, you can say. You can't replace job.
Yeah, currently it is not replacing job, but in a future it will replace job, because right now every field required AI. Everyone right now is
Tell me,
studying.
can you see the future? Like,
I am talking about
Nobody-
right now
nobody
also.
can see.
I am talking about right now also. Right now also, when we are have to discuss in this topic, you are searching in AI only. You are seeing what.
I was not.
Okay, any one of your team is searching in AI what point they have to speak. That also the thing that people
That's
don't
the
think
thing.
about.
Exactly, you just repeated my point. Like, it is good for the information, but at the end of the day, I am the one who is representing those points, right? Like, it is in my mind, it is in my head.
From
it is
where
up to me
it
that
came?
how I use these
From
points again.
where it came? It came from AI only, na? You read from there
It came
and
from
you
the
just
history. It came from the data.
Yeah.
The AI is not something which is like we discovered something. Like, it is filled with data which is already in this earth. It's just a compilation of all the data which is easily available. You can say, yeah, that's it.
So in simple words, you are saying that for the content of speaking, you do research on Chat GPT and you are saying that stuff, and you are not even giving the credit for the information that GPT give.
How about the creativity? Like, giving prompt is my role.
Yeah.
If I'm not able to give good prompt, then it will just give me stupid answers.
Anyone
so
can
giving prompt is also a very important and crucial thing in this process. And for that, you should have a good brain, creative brain, to think in a different way, to tell GPT so that it will tell you like it is explaining to a child. Sometimes you have to just break down some topics so that you can understand it better. So
But-
for that, you need to give him good prompt, and it's very
But
important.
for prompt also, you are not the only one who is giving prompt. There are many pupils who are doing
Certainly.
this, but not everyone can do perfect that thing. No, also for prompt also you have to do studies what type of prompt, which what the things we have to speak, and that also get
Tell me
research
just-
from the AI only.
Just simply
They'll
tell me
just
which
ask
are the
from AI
roles
only.
you're talking about. Which is the roles that
There are
which
lots
is-
of-
which is-
there
which
are
have been
lots of-
replaced by AI.
There are
and
lots of roles.
For example?
Right now I can't speak that this role is specific role. Just like in IT field, every field in everything,
Only
AI
in
is required.
IT
Not
I'm
only
seeing
in
this
IT, not only in IT, in
Majorly
all
in
other
IT.
field also.
Majorly in IT.
In colleges also, students use AI for their research work, for their projects, even for if they have to make any project also. Then also they use AI. Every field required AI right now. No one is using their own ideas. No one is using what they have in their mind.
But-
Earlier people just used their mind, but right now everyone is using AI for everything. Even teachers also use AI for studies.
You eat food with your own hands. Do you
Eating
eat-
food that is not coming from AI.
Yeah, what's the role of AI to
And
make your
that's
life
not-
easy? Right. The role of
That's what I'm saying, na. For making the life easier, people
when you get
use
sick,
AI.
when you
And
get sick,
right
AI helps you. When you get sick, like, you still go to the doctor to consult to diagnose your problem.
And right now, if you see the NEET experience, they also use AI for studies. They also use AI for. So from where they are getting those things?
Which is already
As I am studying AI, I find out that from that कि if we train AI for a particular field, for a particular domain, so in that the AI can do very well. And if we connect AI with hardware like robots, so it will definitely think and create and be creative by itself also, because the technology used in AI is based on learning, that how AI learned from previous data and previous things. So definitely AI can do. Yeah. So with that, so as so as we see the automation in our real world is happen, and with automation lots of tasks is get complete on time. The we have like 27 availability of AI. We can reach AI anytime, anywhere. So we can connect with AI anywhere. So those are the benefits the AI is giving us, and it is also saving our time. So definitely AI can replace humans jobs easily. With it cannot be completely replaced, but if we have 10 workers for one job, so we will need 2 workers for one job. It could be.
I don't think so. AI replace human jobs, because let me see take an live example. AI doesn't replace Ram sir. As you are coming offline coaching classes, so why are you coming coaching classes for learning English? You also can learn English from AI, ChatGPT and it all. AI is only help us, but they can't replace us, because if we need a doctor, we also consult with a doctor. We can't consult with AI.
If we talking about work, so I think AI is much faster than humans. Means large amount of calculation and large amount of work AI can process in a seconds also, and it is available for 24/7. AI can't take a rest or a sleep. It's available for 24/7, but the human or teacher is not available for 24/7. So it is.
Yeah, but we are coming also here now, because in any situation AI is not fulfill our all needs, so that's why we need sir na.
Tell me one thing, you are coming here for coaching,
Yeah.
but when the sir gives you topic, you always go with the chat GPT for the topic contents and everything. You don't use your own brain, you don't use what sir also tell, you just go for the AI first. Then you will think what you have to speak or what you don't have to speak.
We are coming here for the speaking thing, not for thinking. If we sit here and think about the topic, then time will pass. If something is there to help us, the prompts, the AI, then we'll definitely try to take information from there. We are coming here for the fluency, right? For the vocabulary, for the English conversation. So
But
I will focus on that, not on the data. Like data
But
is
if you are
everywhere.
here only for speaking,
Even after searching and collecting data from ChatGPT, we're still not able to speak. Why? Because we didn't practice this thing. So we should focus on our English conversation here, not on data or
if you
anything like
just want to increase your fluency and your fluency in English, then you can do that also with anything, with the help of any AI prompt. There are lots of things where you just have to speak. You don't have to think about the topic, you don't have to learn about things. But when you came here, you also
I have tried ChatGPT, to be honest, but it didn't help me that much, because whenever I'm socializing with people, I find it very difficult to convey my message, because I have practiced only on my phone. But if I'm practicing with someone sitting in front of me, then I will be comfortable in public also.
What was your point that we like not always use AI? Like we can't replace Ram sir as well. So if we AI is like evolving. If it is like AI can't forget. AI have lots of experience to work by experience. So I think the best thing is AI can't forget the things, as human can be there is lots of error by humans. There is lots of mistakes by humans, but AI is very perfect. So with this perfectness, with this automation, AI can definitely replace humans' jobs because the quality of work of AI is better than the human. My point is
AI is perfect for some particular jobs. Yeah.
अपने पॉइंट्स रहे.
So AI not is a perfect for all the jobs. When you talk about the your health, you must be go for a human doctor, not a AI robotic doctor. If you have any health conscious, so you must be visit for doctor, not a AI. Like you not search on a ChatGPT, Gemini or Perplexity AI that what's the prescription for this, what's the medicine should I take, and what kind of thing I do, what's the activity, what's the meal I consider. You go to the doctor. Why? Because it's human connection. Because you trust human more as compared to AI. So there's the point.
Now I will tell you one example. Okay, if you have any problem or question, so you will ask to sir. But how many times you can ask to sir? Means sometimes he get tired or stressed and get angry. Means but you can ask to AI and he will give you answer so many times and means AI cannot means stress or getting angry. So
Yeah, somewhere I'm agree with you, but you know that it's about that. What's my point? Look,
So my point is that it is only good for what about discoveries? What about new creations in the world? For that you need a human brain. Obviously, you can't do the same thing with help of AI. It's just for historical data, static data. But with the help of that, you will be able to do very limited things like for creating
if-
something, for discovering something, for creating something.
उसको देख के बार बोलते हो आप.
Sir, mic उसके पास में नहीं.
आपको तो इनसे बात कर रहा है, मैं के पास भी है. Is the team ना? He's not a team.
Okay. So my point is that it is valuable for very limited things, for discovering something, for creating something new, any new invention, for example. For that you need a human brain. You can't do this for the help of AI.
For
तो दिख नहीं रही है, मतलब डिबेट तो लग ही नहीं रहा है कि डिबेट चल रहा है.
बातें कर रहा हूँ तुमसे.
Innovation, energy, how can you say, how will this happen? That is not possible. Getting camera calls, right? Get off camera.
as you said about the discoveries, right now AI is not at the position of discovery. AI is in AI is in a evolution stage, and in a future it can do that also. If I just talk about my field only, in my field also I required AI, and data scientist work is of that research work only. We have to tell the future what could be happen, what will come, and what steps you have to take. That also the part of research or decision making, where we have to also use the AI. So AI in its evolution stage. Right now I don't say that AI will right now it is replacing or not. There is one job, customer service. If you have seen, right now every website, every app have a chatbot for services like customer service. There are lots of questions. When you go for the having any doubts or having any issue, they first go for the chatbot in that service or that website or any app. They have the chatbot first, then we will go for the personal. There are lots of I think many people have lost that customer service job. It's get fewer as compared to earlier. And if we are talking about another things also, just take an example of right now there are lots of works of workers also that are being done by the AI only. Just take an example of factory.
What you are saying is good, like it's just a reflection of evolution, I would say. Things will be easier for human beings as the time will pass, because the science is also working so hard to make things easier for you. It's just a process of evolution. We can't give credit to the AI fully, Everybody
But
is.
AI is the only one that is doing these things. Not human are doing.
But
You
who
are
made the AI?
just
Like-
take one example. I'm just giving one example. In factories, earlier there are lots of workers who do works, who they do hand works. There no AI, no machines, nothing to do anything. But if you see in a current stage, there are automations applied in machines.
Minute you will come to it, right?
Yeah. In AI also there are automations in companies. Machines are built, and lots of workers they are loses their work. They don't have work because of the AI, because of the machines which have been used for the automations. They all the companies, all the people just think about their benefits. They don't think about people that they can do work, they will have money. They don't think this. They will think that if I am getting the benefit from the thing thing which is not required that much money, that much days to work, they will just go with that. They will don't go with the long process of anything. So AI is there, which is replaced by the workers also.
Do you want to put any point for his? Then I can speak. Is there any point for?
Our topic is
Yeah. So definitely, I am agree with her. As you saw, online challan, challan has cut by.
again it's example of technology. You can't
Camera. There is a use of AI. There is use of deep learning by catching image. Deep learning is also part of AI. So as I am learning AI, so I know how technologies work. So I can relate with that. AI can replace human work easily by training that in a high skill. So it can do human work easily. Yeah.
So she wants again. अरे बोल ले, mic.